Okay, so this is an unboxing of Michael Jackson's Thriller. This is the 40th anniversary CD set, and it's in this silver glittery box. I don't know if I zoom in, will you be able to see the glittery details? Maybe not, but on the back of the album you can see the tracks are the standard 9. Wanna Be Starting Something, Baby Be Mine, The Girl Is Mine with Paul McCartney, Thriller, of course, Beat It, Billie Jean, Human Nature, PYT, which is Pretty Young Thing, and The Lady in My Life, plus some bonus content. Starlight, which is the demo of Thriller, Got the Hots, another demo. Who Do You Know, demo. Carousel, Behind the Mask, a demo, which is a demo. Can't Get Out of the Rain, The Toy, which is a demo. Sunset Driver, another demo. What a Lovely Way to Go, which is another demo. And She's Trouble. You can see the dates down here. Originally released in 1982. And for comparison, I have a 1982 copy of CD copy of the album, original album. So here's an original 1982 copy of the CD album with the 9 tracks that we just mentioned, and as you can see on the down here, 1982. So this is an original copy compared to Thriller 40. So back to the unboxing. A tip, if you have a fingernail, you can just slide it down to get into the plastic. Trying to keep it as in the cellophane as much as I can because I'm trying to protect the box. This CD set is about $20 or £15 depending where you're from. So I have broken the cellophane just a little bit, just enough to get the disc out. So now that the disc is out, this is the actual CDs itself. It's in your standard CD case. As you can see on disc 1, it's like on the 40th anniversary edition, the CDs were clear. And as you can see, you've got your 9 tracks there. And the other disc is here too. So you can see the other 9 tracks here. These are the new tracks. And you've got 40, 40. And just to compare, the old disc on the original album was also clear, as you can see here. And then inside we've got your little booklet. I pre-ordered this a month ago and it turned up today. I don't want to damage anything. How do you get these out? There we go. So, the world's biggest selling album of all time. We've got photo shoots and song lyrics. Michael with, I think, I'm not sure who that is. I think it might be Quincy Jones. I'm not too sure. I will ask Reddit because someone is bound to know. Winner of 8 Grammy Awards. Album of the Year. Record of the Year, Beat It. Best Male Pop Vocal Performance, Thriller. Best Male Rock Vocal Performance, Beat It. Best Male R&B Vocal Performance, Billie Jean. Best R&B Song, Billie Jean. Producer of the Year, Quincy Jones and Michael Jackson. Best Engineered Recording, Non-Classical, Bruce Sweden. So, and again, we've got all the a photo shoot from the Thriller video. And get that to focus. Despite Thriller's popularity, the single Thriller was number 4 on the American music charts, but number 10 on the British music charts, which I was surprised it wasn't a number 1 single in both countries, given how popular it is, how popular the single was. But Billie Jean was one of the most popular singles of all time. I think this might be on the set of Thriller, actually, when they were doing the music video. Thriller 40. And there's Michael with some guy. And as you can see here, Thriller 40 credits. Executive producers John Branca and John McLean. Project supervising executive Karen Langford. Mastered by Brian Big Boss Gardner at Brian Gardner Mastering, Lake Arrowhead, California. AR John Dolp and Harry Towns. Thank you to the Sony MJ team, Rob Stringer, Richard Story, Darren Stupak, Scott Carter, Lisa Kasher, Charlie Stanford. Special thanks to Diana Barron, Joel Cohen, David Dunn, Jared Gilbreth, Justine Grant, Paul Hoffman, Jeff Jampole, John Steinsapier, and the entire team MJ for their continued support and hard work. To all of Michael's fans around the world, we thank you for your loyalty and endless support of Michael's legacy. We all owe a debt of gratitude to the most sensational performer of all time, the King of Pop, Michael Jackson. Your talents, generosity, and groundbreaking gifts to the world are second to none. Thanks for being you. And to Quincy Jones. You shouldn't start a sentence with "and", by the way. At least that's what my English teacher said. And to Quincy Jones, Bruce Sweden, Rod Temperton, and all the talented songwriters, musicians, background singers, and other colleagues who've tirelessly gave your all to help Michael reach his goal to make the album the biggest selling album of all time worldwide. This album is dedicated to Michael's children, Prince, Paris, and Blanket, and his mother, Catherine Jackson. Management of the estate, Michael Jackson, John Branca and John McLean. Estate of Michael Jackson, Legal Counsel, Zifrin Brittenham LLP. Estate of the Michael Jackson Accountants, Miller, Kaplan, Arose & Co. LLP, Michael Caine. Estate of Michael Jackson, Public Relations, The Chamber Group, Chris Chambers. And you've got another date stamp there of 1982, which you can't really see because of my stupid camera. But yeah, that was the unboxing of Michael Jackson's Thriller 40th Anniversary Edition. Thank you all for watching, and if you bought the album, I hope you enjoy it. My parents were both 18 years old in 1950, and when I told them how old the album was going to be this year, they were surprised because they couldn't believe it had been 40 years since its initial release. The actual 40th anniversary is the 30th of November, so next Wednesday. I don't know why they didn't release it on the 30th of November, but I'm not complaining because it has already been 40 years since November 1982. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and goodbye.